Hi, I'm back again, and this is just an extra video I think today. I don't know whether I'll put it today or tomorrow. I'm going to just decorate this, what's it called? Envelope. So I'm wondering, I don't think I want to leave it open. I think I want to close it and have it open there, I think. But anyway, what I wanted to do was, I want to use this recycled paper that I have, and I wanted to glue it down onto here. So what I might do is glue onto my envelope and then I can put it onto the paper. Just move that out of the way. Got all kinds of stuff lying around on my table, and so I just want to, can just go over the edge so that way we get rid of the white. And where is my ruler? Here it is. Found it. Okay. And I'm making, I've mentioned before that I had prepared these new sort of journals that you won't have seen me do before, and I haven't gone ahead with them because I didn't have time really. So basically I need to prepare a whole lot of ephemera for those, because I'll be ready soon to start doing their pages. And also I'm also, as I mentioned yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I'm working on a journal for Crystal, and so she needs some some ephemera as well. Now Crystal, you won't know what I'm going to put in because I'm just making a whole lot of stuff, and then I'll decide what to use. But I don't know now I've lost track of what I was thinking about with this napkin I had. Oh, not this napkin, this I like that, so that's going to go there. I had this left over from that other envelope that I had made with book page. And I think I'll put that there. Yep. And then do I want a little bit of this lovely doily there maybe, or just let me see what I've got going on here, if I would like any of these. You can see I'm a little bit undecided. I like that. And then I was thinking I might just put a stamp on there. Still using Ayosia's, what are they called? Music pages. And then I might like a stamp. I'm thinking I might, but I'm not sure. So let's just flip through here and see if there's anything that's looking good to us. Up there, down there. No, it's not really, none of it's looking really good to me. So maybe I'm not going to put a stamp there. I'm not going to put any butterflies there. I'm going to probably put one of these. Yes, there, that's it. Let's flip that around. Here we go. That is done. Now I have to decide what I'm going to do with it. Am I going to close it and then open it so it's like a double tuck spot? That's kind of what I was thinking. Yes, I'm thinking I would like it as a double tuck spot, or the other option would be to have it as a flip out. Or what about if I were to do something like that? Let's see if that would work. Don't know what would happen. Oh, look what you can do. Huh, never did that before. Could stitch it into a signature. So if I were to do that, then what? But then I need to do that. That is something interesting to look at into another time. I don't think I'll do it now. I think this is going to be a tuck spot. Yes, I think it's going to be a tuck spot. I mean, you could just put that over it. Put that there. It's very pretty, isn't it? But then you've got all of this here. No, so I think it's I'm gonna close it, and it's going to become, then I'm gonna open it, close it, and then open it, and then it's going to become a double tuck spot. So I'll let that dry, and then I'll open it, and that will get stitched into a journal somewhere. That's what's going to happen. The other option is I could collage on the back, and then it could be a flip out. Flip about. So yes, so that one's done, and then what will I do on this one? I have some nice things floating around. Let me have a look here. Oh, I like what I did on there. That was nice. Just got all these things printed out over here. I just wanted to see if there's anything here. Oh, those are good. I really like that, so I would like to play with this. This is from Medieval Mirage. I love her digital kits, and I bought 2 just recently, and so I would really like to have a play around with maybe something from there. And I'm just going to decorate another one of these that Ayozia sent me. That there, and then what else would I like? I've got that. I probably want some book page, so I'm just going to move my napkins down. Oh, what about something like that? I think I would like that. Oh, well, just tore off 2. Well, I might keep that. I might need it. Throw that in the rubbish heap. Might just need a little piece of this here, and then I can put that down. So just a sec, put that up there, and then put that okay. So let me just glue this one down. Okay, I'm just going with those scissors. I'll use these scissors to get it there. I'll use these bodgy scissors to get the sticky bits off. You can go on the rubbish heap. Bye-bye. And then glue this one down. Too many book pages. Too many. We probably could have a little bit of music paper shooting across. It's the right way. Just put that there. And then I'll trim off the excess. I quite like that. Even though that's straight, I quite like it. I'm going to put that there. Bit quiet today. It's no reason. Just not gas baggy. Just not gas bagging today. Okay, good. Oh, I like that. That's super nice. And again, that will be glued down and used as a double pocket. And I do really quite like that. There, there, or there. Maybe coming off a little bit. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Okay. Isn't this just beautiful? You should really go and check out Jaff's amazing kits. I'm going to be using them some more, so you'll see me use more. I'll just fold that over. It's going to get stitched down anyway. They're a little bit more expensive than the regular sort of kits that we're used to buying. However, there is so much in them, so I think they're well worth the money. There's a lot in them, and I've been eyeing them off for quite a long time. And I think I saw a design team project, correct me if I'm wrong, Jaff, by, oh, I like that there, by Lynn M. Oh, I think I need to get rid of this. I keep picking it up to glue and there's nothing in there. Yeah, I think I saw a design project by Lynn M. And I love what Lynn does with Jaff's kits. She makes beautiful journals from them, and I love the medieval period, all the different sort of textile design, like all of these sorts of designs, and the beautiful writing and that sort of thing. So I really felt like it was time that I bought one. Oh, here's one of those circly things. Oh, look, could this be nice? I'm getting distracted. I felt like it was high time I bought one or two kits. I'll put that on something else. You see, I've got this big mess. I need to sort it all out because I don't know what's on my table. There's all kinds of things going on over here. Look, this is another, look, you get all these little things in her beautiful kits. They're amazing. Lots of things to play with. It's just gorgeous. So I can't wait to do more. This is the first thing I've done really using one element of hers. Yes, I'm going to be putting some in these new journals. So I'm a bit slow, but I'll get there. I think I need to put this one down. Too much stuff is going on to it. So I've done two. These were from Ayozia. They're two totally different styles. Totally different. Totally, that doesn't go there. Could have a doily there. No, I don't. You know, why do I want to overdo it? Don't overdo it. Stop looking. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I just did two envelopes that are going, that one's glued down. When it's dry, I'll tear it open, and I'll do the same with this one, so they will be like a double pocket. Yep, I don't think I wanted to do anything else with those. I love that. That's really beigey and yummy, and that's bright and colourful. So You choose what you like best. I like both. That's my problem. I like too many different things. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you sometime soon. Bye.